The next assignment is the rock, paper, scissors. And the rock, paper, scissors is the good old game where paper covers rock, rock breaks scissors, and scissors cuts paper. So you could have it so that both players can be entered by the user, which is yourself. So let's have player one. And of course, this could be from the user, like input, enter, rock, paper, scissors. Right? So that's going to be something the user enters for each of the players. And we're going to have variables for player one and player two. So for testing purposes, I'm just going to comment this out and I'm going to say, okay, this is, let's say the user enters rocks here and the user enters scissors here. Okay, so the way I'm going to think about this is I'm going to think about what are the possible ways that player one can win, right? Well, the first one that we're seeing right now is we have rock and a scissor, right? So if player one is equal to rock and my player two is equal to scissors, then I can say, so this is one possible outcome, right? So if this is the user one enters rock and user two enters scissors, then that's the winning case. And there you go, we detected it. Now another possible way for, we have basically three ways for player one to win. And so this was one of those ways. So what are other ways? Well, the other ways would be, one is if this here is paper, then this one has to be rock, in which case the message is going to change to this, rock, right? And then we can have another if, last one, which is what's the last way for player one to win? We had rock, we had paper, now we have scissors. So if player one is scissors, in order for player one to win, then player two needs to be paper, in which case I'll just say okay, so this is the three ways for player one to win. And then similarly to this, we have three ways for player two to win, which are, I'm just going to copy this. So for player two to win, all we got to do is change these. So now player two has to be equal to this, and player one needs to be equal to this. And then we just change the message to player two wins. Same here. And really there's just one way to, easiest way to detect if it's a tie. So this is, we figured out if player one wins, player two wins. What's left is if they're equal, then that's a tie. So there you go. That's the rock, paper, scissors.